Hey guys, today I'll be showing how you can save money by dyeing your own hair extensions at home. This is how the extension looked like before I dyed them. My client wanted to add more highlights to her hair without any bleach. So we picked two colors, this one and the one I'm going to customize. A little tip is that you always have a rooted color at hand. This will ensure that the blend is seamless. I'm mixing 5.07 Dia Roches and 6N in equal parts and 9 volume developer. Permanent color is not needed because we only need to deposit color and not lift. Start off by coloring the stitching at the top. I create about 2.5 inches of roots, then I go in with my white tooth comb and brush it gently for a seamless blend. After I finish the roots, I'm going in and doing some lowlights in the middle to create a balayage effect. I'm doing my weaves on the thicker side. I'm alternating between a low light and a deep root melt. When I'm doing the root melt, I'll paint it forming a V. This method can also be used in tape-in hair extensions and clip-ins. Once I'm done, I let it process for about 30 minutes. And we are all done. Look how gorgeous and seamless it looks. This tutorial is perfect if you have highlights or want to add highlights. Because extensions are already colored can be very costly, so this is an efficient way to do it at home. Thank you for watching. Please comment down below any other hair videos you would like to see.